Hi everyone, this is Cami from Stadium Goods. Today we're going to be unboxing Olivia Kim's no cover pack from Nike and Jordan. Olivia Kim brings back the sauce of the 90s era with her Nike Jordan no cover pack. Olivia Kim is the VP of Creative Projects at Nordstrom, and she's also a New York native, which is reflected in all 5 silhouettes of the no cover pack. So the pack has been dubbed the no cover pack due to the fashion nightlife in the 90s. So all throughout the pack, you're gonna see a little bit of dancehall and punk, which reflects Olivia Kim's personal style. Kim also designed apparel and accessories that complement each of the 5 sneakers in the pack. The entire line is meant to be inclusive for all, so it starts from a size 5 women's and goes all the way up to a 14.5 in women. Let's start with the Air Force One, also known as Uptowns. So the no cover version of the Air Force One features a full corduroy blue upper and a Nike snakeskin vault swoosh. My favorite part of the shoe is going to be the glow-in-the-dark midsole and outsole. Where do you guys think that this ranks amongst all the Air Forces that dropped in 2019? Let us know in the comments. Next up, we have the no-cover Jordan 4. This shoe is partially included in the pack because this is Jordan's 30th anniversary of the Air Jordan 4, and this is one of Olivia Kim's favorite shoes. This pair features full pony hair construction all throughout the upper, and as we reach the back of the pull tab, we're going to see the Nike Air logo, which is a good aspect of the 90s instead of seeing the Jumpman that we usually see in most Jordan 4s today. For all the Jordan heads out there, this is a special shoe because this features a regular black Cat 4 just with pony hair all around the shoe. Moving on, Olivia remixed one of Nike's sleeper classic silhouettes, also known as the Nike Air Footscape. Footscapes were introduced in the 90s but also made a resurgence in 2016. This pair has a zebra printed suede upper, asymmetrical lacing, and a pink mesh tongue. This shoe barely gets any love these days, but what do you guys think of Olivia Kim's no cover version of the Footscape? Do you guys think that Footscapes are going to be making a comeback? Let us know in the comments. The 4th shoe up is going to be the Nike Air Mowabb. If you guys have never seen this shoe has a deep history with the Nike brand. So the Nike Air Mowabb was originally brought to us in 1991. It recently made another resurgence last year with CDG. The Moab is a great hybrid shoe. As Olivia Kim said, this is the perfect hiking shoe for club kids. We have a black, brown, teal, and red color story all throughout the upper with a black and white speckled midsole. As we flip it to the outsole of the shoe, we're going to see hits of the ACG and Air Mowabb, and it also features a Betty Boop keychain on the side of the shoe. They do fit a bit snug, so some have recommended going a half size up with the Nike Air Mowabb. Last but certainly not least, we have the Nike Air Max 98 no cover. The entire vibe of this shoe pretty much screams 90s reggae dancehall. The 98 has been making a comeback over the last few years with multiple colorways and collaborations, including Supremes. What first pops out about the no cover Air Max 98 is going to be the red, green, and gold gradient all around the upper part of the shoe. What catches my eye on the shoe is going to be the neon detailing all throughout the shoe, including the tongue, the heel tab, and the air unit. The black midsole is definitely a nice touch. In my opinion, it's a great touch so that it doesn't get as dirty when you're in the club. Now that we covered the whole entire pack, my favorite sneaker is going to be the Jordan 4. Let us know in the comments below what's your favorite part of the no cover pack. Thanks again for watching Stadium Women. When you're in New York City, feel free to pull up to 47 Howard Street so you can shop all the styles that were featured in today's video. If you guys have any other questions regarding Stadium Women, feel free to hit us at stadiumgoods.com. You can also shop on our app available in the iOS or Android app stores. And also, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to hit us at stadiumgoods.com. Check back for more videos and also tag us on your fly photos to eventually be featured on our Instagram. I'm Cami, this is Stadium Women, and thanks for watching.